Okay, Rickadale here. I know I haven't put up a video in a good long time, so somebody asked me, hey, where's your next video? So, I guess I just time for me to put another one up. So, we've seen all my collection before from this shelf. And we've seen this shelf. And the last video had a third shelf, but I mentioned, and it only had a few things on there. Now I have more. I was able to get some calendar cubes, that one right there, still in the box, still sealed. Awesome. And a UFO, a Gerdig UFO. Going down. I just got that watch in the back today, a snake watch. That's pretty cool. And then this one. And then at the very bottom, my Rubik's Cube books. I don't know how many books I have, but a lot. And then I got those today also, all together. But that is my new bookshelf, and it is already full. So now I have to talk my wife into buying me another bookcase. Hopefully she will, since she loves me so much. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Goodbye.